Alright, what is going on, guys? I'm about to meet my dad at the river and we're about to go striper fishing. We're gonna go tear him up. Let me show y'all how cold it is outside. 44 degrees. The high is like 60, 5-mile-an-hour winds right now. And yeah, it's gonna be a cold one today, so I don't know. But anyways, guys, I will catch y'all back at the river. And just like that, we are back. Let me back him down real quick. Guys, for our first troll, like we've gone about maybe 200 feet at the most, and he's already got one. You fighting back? Little striper, smaller.
Three in 2 minutes.
I was just getting my GoPro out. Before I got it out, that happened. And that one, there's a fat one.
Yeah, I thought he was bigger than that. He was fighting hard.
Sweet. Thing's fighting pretty hard. Yeah. Looks like dead weight. Weird. Come on, guys. Another one right there. Just hit stop recording when I just released him and he just got another one. This is madness. Does it feel good?
How would it feel? He ain't want to fight.
Yeah, that's how that one was right there. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. That's a good one. Sweet. Oh, he just let it go. Dang, he hit the crap out of it too.
There's a low spot there too now, man.
No, I mean, it was like boom, boom, boom.
There's a low spot right there.
I'm telling you, that was just like all the other bites. He hit the crap out of it. There he is. Oh, he just let go of it again. Got him. I'm gonna jerk this to see if I can get one there in school. Small one. Little tiny thing. Do what? Yeah, sure. Well, it depends on how if it's big or not. He got head hooked. That's why I felt so big. I was getting out my bigger camera. Hey, bud. Oh, gosh. Oh, that was a good one. There we go, right there, boy. Ah, that's a good one, too. Dang, it's fighting like crazy. It is. Dang, they fight so hard.
Living. Even better, huh?
What? You getting by it? You getting hit again? There he is. Oh, that one right there's getting hit. Oh! Double up. Hope it ain't the same one. Both tiny ones. Got to a school of tiny ones. There's Mom. There's Dad's. Another one? Dadgummit! We just released those other two. I almost fight hard. Oh, that one just got hit. Oh, there. Oh! Come on, hit it again, hit it again, hit it again. What in the world? We're out in the middle just putting on hooks and my bait's just sitting out there doing nothing. Like how?
Just sitting out there on top of the water.
Makes no sense at all. There he is.
Number 14.
14 and 45, 50 minutes probably. All right, so, oh my gosh. Here, get it, number 4. Guys, I'm telling y'all, this is just craziness.
What a one, good one.
Small. Dang it.
You gotta be kidding me.
Anyways, we're out here slaying them. It's very, very windy today. It's probably like 15-mile-an-hour winds. Then we got 50-degree temperature outside. And then what's the water temp?
49.
The water temperature is 49 degrees. So we're getting on them. They're in schools. Let's get some more.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Hooks are gone, and there's the other one right there.
Hook just came on. That's so weird. All right. Oh, it's a pretty fish. I think it's a small one. No, man, that one's fighting hard. Double up for there, guys. Alright, so we've been here for about an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes, caught 16 altogether, missed probably 5 or 6. Please like this video, comment what y'all want to see in the next one, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.